What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're doing a walk around of a 2000 model 1500 GMC pickup truck. I almost said Chevrolet. This one does have an aftermarket hood on it. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws so that you know exactly what you're getting before you get here. It's got a newer style wheel. We got 100 detailed pictures of this truck on our website, maplemotors.com, and I also have financing and shipping information available for every car on the lot. All right, we're about to get started here. I'm gonna start up here in the front, go down the lower section, come back to midsection, try to cover all any little chips, scratches, dents, anything that's wrong with this truck. I will let you know. All right, starting up here in the front, you can tell the front headlights have been replaced along with the fog lamps, turn signals. It does have some minor scratches and chips in the front, paint flaws. The grill is in great shape. Coming down the side of the truck, you can see there's a little bit of a gap from the aftermarket hood. It's got a little bit of clear coat popping up here on the fender, probably from a 20-year-old paint job. You may have had them fenders on here at one point. You can see the outline of them. Looking at the lower portion, you do got chips. Not seeing any rust. Just minor stuff, chips and scratches. You can see it around the back here where there was. And you got some chips and touch-up marks right here on the back. Little scratches here and there. A little bit of clear coat bubbling up. Same with it back here. Haven't seen any major dents or anything. On the hood, you got chips here and there. It's like a little ding right here on the hood from the inside. Coming back on the roof, same thing, clear coat's coming off. Not perfect. This truck here does have I think it was 164,000 miles. Decent tires. Tinted windows all the way around. Tail lights have not been replaced with the headlights. The bumper back here does have a dent in it. Tailgate's in pretty good shape. Bumper back here's got a few more dents. It's been bumped into something. Bed's got its scratches. Coming around this side, we'll do the same thing, run down the bottom portion, come back to midsection. You got some scratches back here behind the bumper, chips here and there, little scratches on the bed there. Coming down the side, a little bit of rust coming through the cab corner there. It's a typical area for that. Coming down the side of the truck, a couple chips. Some light scratches here. Coming down the midsection. A little bit of a dent there, some touch-up marks, and light scratches on the hood. A little bit of clear coat trying to come up. Same with the roof, the clear coat's coming off on it. Light scratch on the door. All right. It's like a light dent right here in the hood. Little spot coming through there as well. Okay, let's check this interior out. Get it started up. We'll see what we got going on here. Door panel's in great shape. As soon as you open it up, looks nice and clean. It does have a little spot right here in the middle. Coming around the door jamb. Nice and solid and clean. The back door opens on both sides on this one. Back seat's in pretty good shape. Headliner looks great. Something we like to do on this channel, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? The seat does have a few little holes down here. Little spots. There's a crack in the console. Dash is solid. Let's go ahead and start it up. All the gauges are coming up and working. No check engine lights. AC's nice and cold. Blowing cold now. Radio works. 164,000 miles is what it's showing. It's not actually glitching like that. That's my camera refresh rate. Windshield wipers work good. Oil pressure is at 40. Engine temp is at 200. Horn working good. Got a console that pulls out here. All your in decent shape. Go ahead and pop the hood here. The hood itself doesn't have the springs on it, so you have to put a prop in it. Nice and quiet. Got the 5.3 in it. Nice quiet motor, engine bay's nice and clean. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start in the front and go all the way around this truck. And we're also gonna be doing a test drive video. So check out that test drive video. See what it looks like underneath with the lights and all the good stuff. All right, guys, let's look up under the front here. I do appreciate y'all watching. I have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Also, financing and shipping information is available. If you have any other questions, give us a call. 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to help you out. We're gonna get back to the test drive video. Be sure to check it out, and I'll link it to the end of this video. All right, guys, Appreciate you watching, and thanks again.